One of the very common mistakes is to accidentally think that you've knit a stitch, but you don't, and that's called slipping a stitch. You may not even notice it, but the way to recognize it is that when you knit the next stitch, if you look at the back side, the slip stitch has yarn trailing behind it. And the knitted stitches don't, they have the little bumps. So that's how you can recognize a slip stitch. The slip stitch is a little bit longer than a knit stitch because it's trailing over 2 rows instead of just one. So it elongates the stitch. Put it on the tip of your needle. And take the stitch that's from the row below and pull it over, and there, you've just reknit that stitch. Might look a little loose at first, but it'll all even out.